Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shohil Nana. Now I will share operational subject one case study of operations in practice, the travel history of the Airbus A380. What do you understand from this case? I here understand the Airbus A8 A380 is very large aircraft has been developed to fill a demand created by two key dynamics in world economic development. This case mainly focus on operational failure of the Airbus A380. One, lack of integration between design and manufacturing process, lack of integration between the France and German management, and third, incompatible software of the Airbus A380, and finally gap of resource planning. How this case is relevant with the product design. The design and the industrialization of a aircraft, a major component or a aero structure is a complex process. Airbus has been involved on the design and the industrialization of aircraft since the middle of the last century, involving engineers from different nationalities located in different countries. To give you an idea from complexity, an aircraft like the Airbus A400M is composed of a set of about 7 lakh parts, including standard component and joint element. All these parts are assembled into aerostructure and major component design and manufactured in 7 countries all over the world. What is the case in delay for Airbus A380 launch? First, the A380 was the most complex passenger jet ever to be built. Second, this company was notorious for its internal relativism, its constant need to balance work between its France and German plants, so that neither country had too obvious an advantage. Constant political infighting, particularly by the France and German government, and the frequently change of management. Eventually, it was this lack of the integrating between design and manufacturing process that was the main reason of the delay to the aircraft launch. Another is incompatible software, and particularly as the engineer worked to the overcome challenge electrical wiring problem due to wire shortage and poor design, is equipped with the 1 lakh different wires, totally 530 kilometers in length, that part from 1115 separate functions. Another is a tight time frame for a A380. History of the Airbus A380. The history of the Airbus A380 was a long and incident-packed journey from drawing board to reality. Thus, installated installate the danger when the design and activity goes wrong. In 1991, Airbus consulted the international airlines about their requirement for a super large passenger aircraft. Year of 1996, Airbus created the large aircraft division, this which would eventually set up the A380. In 2000, the commercial launch of the A3XS, later is named the A380. Development cost of the Airbus A380 were initially put in $8 billion but have been raised on $12.2 billion. Thank you all. Wear masks when you go outside, save your life and your family. Thank you again.